Setup Checklist, Accounts, Workspace, and Safety Basics. 02 Ship Claude Basics, Lesson 1, Video 2.
Before we can start building anything, we need to get your workspace ready. The good news? You only need one thing to get started today, a Claude account. In this video, I'll walk you through everything, from creating your account to organizing your workspace to keeping yourself safe when working with AI-generated code. We'll cover 3 things: your account, your workspace, and basic safety habits. Let's get into it.
Step 1. Let's get you a Claude account. Head to claude.ai. I'll put the link in the description and click Sign Up. You can sign up with your email or a Google account. It's free to start, and it takes less than a minute. Once you're in, you'll see the main Claude interface where you can start conversations. That's really all there is to it. Now, there's an upgrade called Claude Pro for $20 a month. Here's why it matters for this course. Claude Code, the tool we'll use to actually build real products, requires a paid plan. The free plan lets you chat with Claude on the web, but it doesn't include Claude Code access, and the message limits are pretty tight. With Pro, you get Claude Code included, more messages, access to the latest models, and the ability to build real apps. This is actually how O2 Ship was built. So while the free plan's fine for exploring, you'll want Pro to follow along with the building exercises. Now that you have your account, let's set up a simple workspace on your computer. Think of it like setting up a desk before you start working. Here's what I recommend. Create a folder called My AI Projects, somewhere easy to find. Your desktop or documents folder works great. Inside that, make 3 subfolders. Prompts is where you save what you type into Claude. Outputs is where you save what Claude gives back. And Projects is where your actual apps will live. Use whatever tool you're comfortable with. Finder on Mac, File Explorer on Windows. That's your whole workspace.
One quick tip that will save you a lot of headaches. Get into the habit of saving your prompts. Before you send a prompt to Claude, copy and paste it into a text file first. Name the file something descriptive like landingpage-prompt-v1.txt so you can find it later. Over time, this becomes your personal prompt library. Good prompts are reusable, and trust me, future you will thank you for this. I still have the original prompts I used to build 02 Ship. Alright, now for the most important part of this video. Safety. When you're working with AI-generated code, there's one golden rule I want you to remember. Read before you run. That's it. You don't need to understand every single line of code. Just look for things that seem off, like file deletions, network requests to places you don't recognize, or anything asking for passwords. And whenever you're unsure, just ask Claude. Can you explain what this code does? Claude will break it down for you. Second safety rule, protect your API keys. An API key is like a password for a service. If someone gets yours, they can use your account and potentially charge you money. So here are the rules. Never share API keys on GitHub, forums, or in screenshots. Never paste them into Claude conversations either. Claude doesn't need your passwords to help you. And if you ever accidentally share one, revoke it immediately and create a new one. Here's a big red flag to watch for. If Claude ever asks you for a password, something is wrong. That's not how it works.
Now, you might be thinking, how can I review code if I don't know how to code? Fair question. Here's a simple checklist for beginners. First, does Claude's explanation match what you asked for? Second, are there any file operations you didn't request, like deleting files or accessing system folders? Third, does the code reference external websites or services you didn't mention? And fourth, when in doubt, just ask Claude. Can you explain what this code does step by step? You don't need to be a security expert. Just use common sense. If you asked for a calculator app and Claude's code is trying to access your email, that's a red flag. That's your setup complete. Let's do a quick recap. First, you've got your Claude account. With Pro, you have Claude Code included, and you're ready to build. Second, your workspace is organized with 3 simple folders: prompts, outputs, and projects. And third, you know the safety basics. Read before you run, protect your keys, and ask Claude to explain anything you don't understand. 3 steps and you're all set. In the next video, we get to the fun part, writing your first build prompt.
I'll show you the exact prompt structure that works, and we'll use the O2 Ship platform as our real-world example. You'll go from an idea to a starter app plan in one conversation. Join our Discord to connect with other builders, and I'll see you in video 3.